Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into this today. Today I'm going to be making you guys one of the best subs out there. One of them, next to mine, of course. I ain't tooting no horns. Toot toot. No. Anyway, it's going to be called, it's a Jimmy John sandwich, and it's going to be called number 5 Vito Jimmy John sandwich. It's an Italian sandwich. So alright, and what you will be needing for this sandwich is some oregano, some red wine vinegar, some olive oil, some shredded lettuce, okay? You need the bread, of course. I had it in this bag, so because it's a day-old bread. So I have some wheat. All right. So let you see that. This is their wheat bread. Now I got this yesterday. And we're gonna make the regular bread right here. We're doing the wheat Vito and the white Vito. Alright? And alright, you need your meat. I'll show you that in a minute. You need some provolone cheese. You need onions right here. I have some peppers right here. These are just giardiniera peppers. Okay? You need some mayo. Not Miracle Whip, mayo. Okay? And you're going to need some tomatoes. Alright? And put them together. I used to work at Jimmy John's, so I kind of know what I'm doing a little bit, alright? So this is how they wrap their stuff up. And it's cut fresh every day. So I'm going to show you what I got here. Now, okay, here we go. Make sure your hands are clean, guys, please. So I have some hard salami. I have some, this is capicola right here. And I have some pepperoni, okay? And a ham. So normally you don't get the ham on your sandwich. You only get the capicola and the hard salami. The hard salami. The hard salami, alright? So we know I'm going to be editing. I didn't want to do a whole bunch of editing. But this is all you're going to need on your sandwich. Alright? Now if you want a traditional, you would just go with just the hard salami and the capicola. That's what they use. But I'm putting ham on mine as well. Alright? And I got generous amount. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start setting this stuff up so we can go ahead and put these sandwiches together. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now, this is what they do. They take a knife and they measure it just like this. Just like that, okay? They come with this side and they measure it just like that. Then they just take it and cut it in half, okay? Just like this. Then they come in this way. Maybe I should use a better bread knife. Alright. Now, and what they normally do, they just go ahead and take out some of this breading and stuff so you can spare some of that meat, that good old meat. And they take this. That's all they do. It works a little bit better when it's all the way fresh. But it's going to taste good anyway, I guarantee you. Okay, that's all they do. Then they take a knife or whatever, take some mayo, take the mayo on there. Just like that. You can go light or you can go heavy, it depends on what you want to do. Then we'll take our onions, Put that on there. Tomatoes. Just like that. See that? Take us some lettuce. Now if you want to put some peppers on there and all that stuff, you wait till you do your lettuce and all that stuff, alright? I'm just showing you how they do it. So here be your lettuce on there. And then take them some oil, which is already pre-mixed. See if I can put a little bit of this on there. Like that. Red wine vinegar. Okay. Some oregano. Just like that. If you want some pepper, you can put that on there. I'll go ahead and put some on there because I know my son like them. So I put a little bit on there, just like this. Alright. Then they take the meat, just like this. They put that on there just like that. Okay? Just like that. You turn it. You can see I have a lot of meat on mine. So that's how I do it. I'll do another one for you guys. But yeah, I like a lot of meat. So this one is like a super big one. But that's it right there. That's the Vito. Cut this down a little bit. Taste it. That's it right there. Give you guys a piece of that. I know it's big and bulky. I got like extra meat on mine. Alright? Alright, we'll taste it. That's Jimmy John's all day. Vito. That's Jimmy John. Just too much meat. I'm gonna go ahead and give him that one. This mother is huge. And remember, you don't get all this ham and all that stuff on that. Alright, see you guys in a minute. We're gonna get started on this next one. Okay guys, I'm back. I already gutted the bread out. Put some mayo on this bad boy. Just like that. How much you want on yours. We're going to take our onions. Like a lot of onions on yours, put a lot of onions on yours. Now I already pre-sliced all my meat and all this stuff. So I'm about to do a razzle dazzle. Okay. That on that. Get some lettuce. Like that. With my hands on. Alright. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our hard salami, because I already hooked it up on here. Just gonna put this on there like so. Capicola. Tearing this burger is super thin. Alright, now we need some cheese. I should put the cheese on there. Didn't put the cheese on there. So this is what we'll do. Put the cheese on this way. Alright. Actually, just do it right. Just do it right. So, but I do need the this. Put some of that on there. Olive oil. Oregano. Makes a big difference. And we just take this and turn it. And there you go. Here's your Vito. Just like so. Some of this lettuce come out. So, but yep, that's your typical Vito right there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and mess with this other one. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. The same formula. Take us some mayo, some tomatoes. Take us some onions. Alright. Take us some lettuce. Alright. Take me some of these peppers. Alright. I'm going to take my olive oil. Sprinkle some of that on there. Drizzle. Red wine vinegar. Now if you want to put a little extra like pepper or something like that on yours, you can. But I'm Gucci. Italian seasoning. Cheese. Meat. So we got some more over here. Capicola. I'm putting some ham on mine. Since I mean you were lying to you. Like I ate, because I am. Alright, this sandwich is done. Let me go ahead and flip it. Now what they do, they normally hold it down or whatever, you know, and fold it over. There you go. That's all I'm doing. Making sure all that's in there. There's your other sub. Kind of big boy right there. Big boy sandwich. Right there. That tastes good. There's your other sub. Your wheat bread, Vito. the big boy style. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the finished product. The white and the wheat. Number 5. Vito. With your pickles, your chips, which ain't nothing but Ruffles. Potato chips. The bread. You can get the bread at any of them. Sometimes they sell them for $1 depending on how fresh they are. Sometimes they sell them for $2 if they super fresh. I got this bread for like 50 cents a loaf. So if I can do it, you can do it. So guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. With that, I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, see you next time in a minute.